Hi there, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue to work with words with inflections ER, EST by changing the Y to an I. Let's start with the first row and first word. We have bumpy, bumpier, bumpiest. White, whiter, whitest. Speedier. Big, bigger, biggest. Chilly, chillier, chilliest. Bravest. Late, later, latest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Funnier, funnier. Awk, hawk. Field, field. Sunny, sunny. Clue, clue. Stories. Down, hug, patted, help, helpful, use, useful, soft, softly. Let's read our sentences. Roses, seeds are smaller, period. Her yard is the nicest, period. Okay, thank you for doing the reading with me. Continue to practice on your own. You can do it with a family member, with a sibling. Do it again by yourself. Practice, practice, practice. Have fun.